Hello everyone. So this is our last session of lesson fiber to fabric. So in this session we are going to learn the history of clothing material. So first we will understand that what is clothing. So clothes are or clothing are the collective terms that used to describe the different types of materials that we are wearing on body, individually or specially human characteristics to protect our bodies from cold, rain and other climate change or weather condition. Means we are wearing the clothes to protect our body. So in this session or in this point we are going to learn that the history means how from the leaves, grass up to the clothes that we make from the fibers that we are going to learn. So according to anthropologist means the scientist who study the development and behavior of human beings. They just said that there is no information about when we humans started using clothes. However, some records say that the humans that means that anthropologists say that we are just started to use clothes about 1 million years ago. Okay, so in those time people use the bark and the big leaves of trees or the animal skins and the furs to cover themselves. Means they are not using the silk fiber or the cotton fiber or nylon fiber because there was no invention about the this clothing material. So that time the people are using the big leaves and the bark of trees. See, I have shown here. See the animal skin, how they are just using animal skin to cover themselves and how they are using the leaves or the big leaves to cover themselves. So how actually it happens that we will learn. So after people began to settle in agricultural communities means what? That people started to live near the water and all. So that for farming. Okay. So after people began to settle in agricultural communities, they just learn at that time to weave twigs and grass into mats and baskets that already we have learned, that is a weaving process, how we are actually using the two sets of yarn to make our fabric. Same they are doing at that time, and these were woven into fabric. So about the clothing material means the history of clothing material, the early Indians means we are just wore the fabrics made out of cotton. Means at that time synthetic fibers are not there. The plant fibers or the animal fibers are there, means many inventions are there. So the early Indians wore fabrics made out of cotton that grew in the regions near the river Ganges. As I said, communities are there. Told that that history is saying that the in near to the Ganga river, okay, the early Indians are there. They were started to use the cotton fibers. Understood? And that is a plant fiber, that is a natural fiber. And in ancient Egypt, I have mentioned here, in ancient Egypt cotton as well as flax, flax also one plant fiber is there. Okay, so same as a cotton quality. So both cotton as well as flax were cultivated near the river Nile and then that were used for making fabric. So two records are there, that is about the early Indians and then early Egyptians. So two records are there and according to that we can say that about the history of clothing material. Understood? So in those days that stitching was not known, means they are not aware about the stitching process. They know only weaving process and a little bit knitting process is there. They don't know about the stitching. Stitching means what? Now we are just taking the dress material, means the dress piece, and we are going to tailor, and then they are cutting that fabrics and making your clothes, means they are actually doing stitching process. But in those days people are not means they are not aware about the stitching process. So what were they are doing? So they are just wrapping or just covered the fabrics, okay, themselves to just protect their body from the different types of climate. So there are many different ways of wrapping fabrics that were used. And then there is invention of sewing needle, and after that people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Understood? Means after invention of sewing needle we just started the stitching process, but before that we are don't know about stitching. They knew only about the weaving process. So this is all about the history of clothing material. I have mentioned some notes. Okay. So this is the general information. This is not a main point, but you have to learn that what is our history of clothing materials, means from plant, means the leaves, grass and all, or the animal fibers, then to the plant fibers, then animal fibers, and then the synthetic fibers. That journey you should know, and that journey is actually your history of clothing material. So in this lesson we have learned many things, okay, that we just take a look. So we have learned that there is a variety of clothing material or fabric such as cotton, silk, wool and polyester. Then we have learned that there are two types of fabrics, that is natural and synthetic. But in this lesson we are learn only natural fiber, that is plant fibers, cotton and jute. Then we have learned that the fibers are used to make yarn, yarn are used to make fabric, and then that fabric we use to make our clothes by stitching process. Okay. Then we have learned some processes, that is ginning, spinning, weaving and knitting. So in the ginning process what we have learned? That we have learned that the removal of cotton seeds from that cotton balls. Then we have learned about the spinning, that is the process of making yarn from fibers. Then from fibers to fabric, means that, sorry, then yarn to fabric, that processes, that is weaving and knitting. So major difference